Hello, this is my first review of a Graham Farish. I've never done a Graham Farish model before, nor, you may notice, it is a scale of 1 to 148 or N gauge. The only reason why I've got an N gauge is because my friend Chris, his friend Jay, apparently someone delivered this to Jay and he never ordered it and he didn't know where it came from, so Jay gave it to my friend Chris and then who gave it to me. But let's see, I normally do 00 gauge. As you can see, this is a Thompson first class carriage. I'll show you the difference. This is a Hornby. Sometimes they call it blood and custard. I'll get it out of the package in a minute, and let me just show you the label on the side. It says 376-201 Thompson's first class corridor BR Crimson and Cream. Now there's not much to see around the box, just about the detail model on the back. So let's open it up. And there's a number there. Don't know if you can quite read that. It says 200325. Now could be the 20th day of the 3rd month. Well, it's not even 2025 yet. It's only 2024 in January when I'm doing this video. So I don't know why. I mean, I don't know. Anyway, let's just carry on with the review. Now there's no paperwork which came with this, so let's just open it up. Now it's very light, very delicate, very small. Let me just show you. Now this is a triangle one. Let me just put this on the floor, and then this is also a Hornby one here. You see the difference? I know that on this N gauge model, the windows at the end are egg shaped, but these ones are all square. So this is the Graham Farish one, N gauge. This is a triangle one, and this is the Hornby one. Both of these are 00 gauge, so you can actually see that it's got a little number 1 on the door. I mean, that's first class. It's also a first class, got number 1 there. If I turn this one over, it's got a 1 there and a 1 there, also first class. So it's just to show you. This one also is like 3 different sizes. Even this carriage is slightly smaller than that one. And let's get these out of the way. As you can see, this track is 00 track and this is an N gauge, so this is way too small. It just like, it fits between the 2 rails. I don't know if we can catch the number. Let's see if I can try to zoom up on that. I'm using my phone help to read number. It is E11172E. Something and Ireland, and it says underneath it. Is that Mallard? I can't quite. Oh no, I can't quite read those. I can't quite read those smaller numbers. That's the builder's plate just there, and I can't quite read such small numbers. As you can see, this is first class. If I turn it over, I think that the corridor's down this side, and I think the actual seats are on this side. Very small and delicate. We've got doors at both ends, so they actually connect to other carriages, so you can actually walk through carriages. Got all the very good detail on the bottom. I think these are all the air vents on top. I'm not sure how I can give this a test somewhere because I've got no track to test it on, or nothing to put it on. Let's have a little think about this. The only way I can give it a rolling test is to, not on the railway, but on this little slope I've got here. So roll's okay, so roll down there okay. I know it hit the track on the way down, but at least it's a good runner. JJ's test track. I know this is not going to look right, but I've hooked it up on my early BR Terrier 060. Oops, and it's fell off. Try again. This time I'm going to let it push it. Well, I think that's all I can say about my Graham Farish Thompson first class corridor VR crimson and cream model carriage. I can't do a proper test because it's the wrong gauge, and I gave you a bit of a test. I know it might look a bit funny, but at least it works, kind of. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you, bye.